Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobiyeng jompi.
Of Plie district and the state.
Hakaskin thot ding jokatayo ka ar tarik no opera arja apuar. Menteri rangba kajala ukanrat ki sangma ula Plie Paidbah ya ka Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision. Hakani ke jingalang kabalong hamadan yele akai jong ka Patharkhmah layadon lang ba Macmillan Bersat MLE ka Nongston uba Sostines Sotun MLE ke Jirang uba Victor Rani MDC ke Jirang u Arpit Upadia Deputy Commissioner ka Plie District ki Head Officer na ka District ki Nongyalam Snong ki Nongyalam Sengbhalang ringkat bagi hajar ngot ki Paidbah ki balawan bansaki lang hakte gesngi. Lapan kiyo kertan ya ka Patharkhmah syaka Civil Subdivision hadian balane hadu arf nyosnam kum ka Administrative Unit.
Immediately into your account to show that you are now registered under Focus Plus. And then on different dates, we will be having large programs where as the registrations take place, we will be then transferring the rest of the 4,000 rupees into your account. So all of them who are getting this card today will get 1,000 today, and 4,000 rupees will go into your account on the 5th of December. The first program is on 5th of December. Till now, we have about 70,000 people who have registered under Focus Plus. So we expect to touch about 90,000 by 5th December. So on the 5th of December, 90,000 people will get 4,000 rupees into their account in one day. That is almost 36 crores will be transferred to all these 90,000 beneficiaries in one day itself. So this is how Focus Plus will work, and I'm sure that the members will later on explain to you all the details, but this card is important, so please keep it safe.
People have been suffering for the last many years. The people of Jirang constituency, especially the people of Western Plie. And on this day, we are witnessing by ourselves each and every person, be here on the ground or outside, or be the person, those who are not able to come and attend this program. We are all in joy. We are all in great joy.
Ibril ibunda bun ktir. Tambah ida dah kakak. Ngakan mau hal setiap ajak kan yo. Haka bagai redi ngampat mudu bali election. Ngasai ban kain man kapo bat bareng sutun namau dei polok wala palat khat sam sem bat nga. Hadir bersaji kum nama hikmat kai karai jong bari sotun bangi nak tak jimha jong Paidbah ngile apa khat ba bat ngiyong ba hadim bingi yo I baka Jirang konstitusi ngilai yo ki MLA ki minister ki chief minister tang baka sak kumju imat nak ai gadau ngilap ya gadau nakam tak jimha jong Paidbah Jika Jirang konstitusi, iba sotun ipendem ya lagi.